Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well, guys. So in today's video I am going to create this makeup look, which is basically a sari look. So guys, if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel, guys, and guys don't forget to follow me on Instagram. My handle is this. So guys, without wasting much more time, let's get started this video. Hey guys, so in today's video I am going to create a sari look. So guys, I am going to start off with this toner. This is the Good Vibe Rose Toner, guys, and it is really good for hydrating your face and providing a very good glow. As you can see, my skin is looking so glowy after applying this. So guys, next for the moisturizer, I am going to use this Biotic Coconut Cream, and guys, this is my absolute favorite moisturizer. So I'm going to apply a generous amount on my face. Next, guys, for the primer, here I am using Swiss Beauty Real Base Makeup Primer in the shade 01 Natural Tint.
And guys, this is very beautiful illuminating primer, guys. So I'm going to apply this.
And guys, this is also act like a strobe clean, so you can definitely apply underneath your foundation. And guys, also you can wear this alone. So guys, as you can see, after applying this, my face is looking so hydrating and glowy. So guys, next for the foundation, here I am using Lakme 925 foundation. This is in the shade Warm Natural, and guys, this is very glowy, dewy and hydrating foundation. And guys, I just love this foundation, guys, because I have a combination skin, so it suits my skin really well. And so guys, I'm going to apply this foundation all over my face. First you have to spread it like this, and next you have to blend so that your all over face will be covered evenly. Next is I'm going to use this Inside Beauty blender, and I'm going to blend my foundation. See guys, how easily it's blend. First, I'm going to fill my eyebrows using this Miss Claire eyebrow pencil, and guys, this is in the shade medium brown, and this is a very creamy eyebrow pencil, guys, so you can definitely try this one. Next is after filling my eyebrows, now I'm going to clean my eyebrows using a concealer. So guys, I'm using this Swiss Beauty concealer. This is in the shade 02 Sand. And guys, I'm going to apply my highlighting point as well as cleaning my eyebrows. So guys, first I'm going to apply my highlighting points and blend it. As you can see guys, how easily it blends. So I just love this concealer. And guys, also I'm going to apply in a corner, outer corner of my eye. So guys, I'm using a concealer brush and I'm going to blend this. Today I'm going to do cream contouring, so that I'm going to use this NYB cream contour stick. This is in the shade Toffee, and guys, this is very creamy. At the same time, it is very blendable. So guys, always apply cream product before setting your face. So guys, I'm going to blend this cream contour using a brush.
And guys, always अपने contour को अपनी hair line में mix करना है.
Next guys, for setting my base, I'm going to use this Wet n Wild contour kit, and guys, I'm going to powder contour using this kit, and also I'm going to set my face using this yellow banana powder. And guys, this is very good yellow banana powder, so that it instantly brighten up your under eye area. So guys, I'm going to use the same beauty blender and I'm going to set my under eye area. See guys, this is very beautiful yellow undertone banana powder. And first guys, you have to remove your crease and then you have to set your under eye. So guys, for powder contouring, I'm going to use this shade and I'm going to apply. So guys, for today's eye look, I'm going to start off with this palette guys. This is the Wet n Wild Rose in the Air palette guys, and guys, this is very gorgeous shade. So guys, first for the transition shade, I'm going to use this shade, this chocolate brown shade, and after that I'm going to apply this shade. So guys, I'm using a fluffy brush and I'm going to apply outer corner of my eyes. And just dabbing. Next guys, I'm going to blend this. Next guys, I'm going to pick this shade, this rusty orange shade. Next guys, for the lower lash line, I'm going to pick this shade and also I'm going to apply all over my eyelid. Next guys, I'm going to use this Makeup Revolution palette guys, and guys, I'm going to use this shade. And guys, lastly, I'm going to apply this champagne shade top of it.
Next guys, for the liner, I'm going to use this Biotic eyeliner guys and draw a simple eyeliner with it.
Guys, for lower lash line I am going to use this kajal. This is the K Beauty kajal guys, and this is very beautiful kajal. For mascara I'm going to use this Colossal mascara guys. This is very beautiful and lengthening mascara. Next is for the blush. I'm going to use this blush. This is the Stay Quirky blush in the shade Pink Diva. Guys, this is very gorgeous blush. It has the shimmer on it, but after applying this looks so beautiful. Next is for the highlighter. Here I'm using Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. This is in the shade Molten Gold, and guys, this is very beautiful golden shade. Also guys, I'm going to highlight my inner corner. For the lipstick, here I'm using Nykaa mini lipstick. This is in the shade M50, and this is very beautiful nude shade guys. So guys, I'm wearing this lipstick right now. This is the Maharani lipstick, and this is the liquid lipstick, so it is also long wearing lipstick. So guys, here's my final look. I hope you like this video, and if you do, then please subscribe to my channel guys. Take care guys, bye bye.